What's going on, guys? ZachDaOne here. What's going on, guys? ZachDaOne here, and I'm gonna do yet another mukbang video. This mukbang video, I'm gonna try the Hostess birthday cupcakes. Now these sound good. So let's open up here. Oh, I guess you pull it out like that. Look at that. You can tell it's birthday. Look at all that sprinkle on there. There's the OG swirl right there. I'm gonna take a bite in 3, 2, 1. Wait, I don't think this one has the cream filling. Maybe it's in the middle? Oh, never mind. There's cream filling in it. It's a good thing I took another bite, or else I would have gone out for no reason. But yeah, the only nitpick I have about the birthday cupcakes is that it was a bit messy, but that's it. That's all. So I'm gonna rate this 9 out of 10. So I hope you like this mukbang video. Like, subscribe, hit bell for notifications, and see y'all in my next video. Peace.